welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys the shoes that I picked up for fall. I have a lot of affordable options in this video too, so if you're interested in seeing that, definitely please keep watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me, and let's get in with the video. Alright, so I have about about 6 shoes to share with you. I'm gonna start off with the order that I placed on Loveraid. If you guys have never ordered from Loveraid, oh my gosh, you have to. They have some of the cutest shoes for so affordable, and the quality of them are incredible. I have a pair of black boots that I got 2 years ago from Loveraid. I have used the crap out of them and they are still in very good condition. I believe it's a UK based brand. Now, the only thing I will say with Loveraid is that you're gonna want to size down 1 to 2 sizes, because for whatever reason, the shoes run humongous there. So that's the spiel on that. Let's get into the boots that I picked up. I was on the hunt for some brown leather block heel boot, and I got these beauties right here. They have a square toe, which I have been obsessed with lately. I feel like all of my boots either have a pointed toe or a square toe. These come up pretty high on the shaft, so it comes up to about here on the leg. The only thing is that if you have fat calves like I do, that your skin will bulge over. So what I've been doing is putting them on and then blow drying the leather so that it warms up, and then that way this stretches out so that it's not super constricting on my calf. That's something that I have to do with a lot of boots that come high up because they're like little sausages. So that's what I have to do for that. Oh yeah, I got these in a size 6. This next pair I have been loving. I feel like an essential for everybody to have this fall season. They're super in style, and I also feel like it's just like a classic. And these are the boots right here. Look at how beautiful these are. Like, are you joking? It's just a basic under the knee boot with a block heel and the square toe. That's all I ever want in life, is just this shoe right here. I've been loving under the knee boots. I just feel like they look so pretty with dresses, skirts. You can tuck your jeans into these. You can wear these with leggings. And then the chunky heel makes these so comfortable to walk in as well. Nice square block. And this is the type of boot that you could totally dress up and make super dressy, or you could wear it super casual with, like I said, leggings or jeans. Then next up, this pair I was so excited for. I already wore them a ton in New York City because they're just so comfy. They may not be everybody's cup of tea, but I think they're very cute and very trendy. And they are these under the knee chunky combat boots. I will say these run very, very big because I sized down in these as well. Got them in a size 6. And they are still like, that shoe looks like a shoe of a grown man adult. Just kidding, but it looks huge. So ideally I would have gone down 2 sizes in this shoe, but I mean, they still work. My feet just look so large compared to the rest of my body when I wear these. These boots look so cute when you wear it with like a skirt and a chunky knit sweater. And then you have this, it kind of gives the outfit more edginess. I'm so excited to pair these boots with leather leggings or regular leggings and a blazer. I feel like that would look so pretty. I just think that they're adorable. With a sweater dress and a nice like trench coat or something, these would look really cute too. So many ways to style them, and I just love how edgy and like chunky they are, but they're not overly chunky, beside them being like 2 sizes too big. These next pair of boots I actually shared in a vlog, but I wanted to talk about them again. I wanted a pair of knee-high brown boots. So I got these from Target and I love them. I think they're so cute. Now, Target did accidentally send me these in a half size bigger, but I wasn't upset with it just because I always have that calf issue that I was just telling you about. So I think the half size just gave me more wiggle room in case I want to like tuck jeans or something into them. But basically when I got these boots, I envisioned wearing them with like a creamy white knit dress, whether it's a sweater dress or more fitted knit dress, and like a really nice brown coat over top of it. I just felt like that would be so cute. You could obviously also style these with leggings, leather leggings, skirts, and like stockings. It's a pointed toe and again has that square block heel. I love a good chunkier heel like this because I like the height, but I hate not being comfortable, and these are very comfortable. You could obviously dress these up or dress these down. Like I said, you can wear them with a dress or leggings and jeans. And they're just a nice, rich fall leather brown boot. I love them. All right, moving on. I also talked about these shoes in my previous video. These are the perfect chunky white platform shoes to wear in the fall time. They're these shoes right here. Aren't they so adorable? They're made of a nice faux leather, so it makes it really easy to dress these up or again dress these down. I got these from Miss Lola for, I want to say like $35, maybe $39. These look so much like the $1,600 Prada platform sneakers. You get that look, but without breaking your bank. And these are the type of all white platform sneakers that look adorable with a knit dress, a regular dress, skirts, jeans, obviously, baggy jeans, the baggy trouser trend, and these look so cute with them. And what's great about these, and I mentioned in my previous video too, is that they give you that height, but you don't have to wear a heel. They are a heavy shoe, but I was able to walk around for hours in these in the city with no issues. And I like that I can wear these with my baggier trousers. And since it gives me height off the ground, it doesn't let the extra material drag on the floor, because I'm always too lazy to take my pants to the tailor. So this just comes in clutch for those pants that are too long, but I'm too lazy to get hemmed. If you're looking for a really cute chunky sneaker that will go with all of your fall outfits, you need this one. Also, these are another pair of shoes that I talked about in my previous video, but I have been absolutely in love with them. I went to Florida last weekend and these were the only sneakers that I took with me. And they went with all of the fall toned outfits that I brought there. I also got endless compliments on these from like literal strangers. The girl sitting next to me on the airplane even complimented me on these shoes. And they are the Jordan Retro 5 women Jordans. These, when they launched, they didn't do well, so they're actually still available on the website. So literally get them while you can, because they're so cute and they go with so many outfits. Like I said, they went with all of my fall tone outfits that I packed with me on my trip to Florida. I had to pack super light and only brought a carry-on. Not even a carry-on, I literally brought a personal item, and these went with every single outfit that I wore. More like dressier casual outfits, and then obviously my super like comfy sweatpant outfits. The tone of this goes with so much, even though there's a lot going on, and they're so comfortable too. I fell into the trap and I got them, and the only reason I got them is because I saw that they came out with a platform version of them, and those are my Ugg slippers. I literally never in a million years thought that I would be an Ugg girl, but when I saw that they had the platform version, I just knew I had to have it. I felt like they made an Ugg specifically for me. This is what they look like. They're the super low ones. They obviously have that fleece inside to keep your feet super warm. These have become my like house slippers, but what I love about these is that they're still cute to wear if I need to run an errand. I can literally leave the house in these and they somehow look done up. I love the way these look with jeans. I love the way these look with like those wide leg sweatpants. They're just somehow very cute, and I think the platform is what makes them cute. If they didn't have the platform, I literally probably would have never purchased them. Okay, never mind, my legs look like little chicken nuggets, but they're just so cute. If you see those in stock, get them while you can, because they sell out so fast. And yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I do have a fall clothing haul coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And I love you guys. I hope that you guys have the most blessed week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.